record in subsidiary books of Mr. Suraj the following transactions. Okay, transaction number 1. Goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use rupees 10,000. Means it is drawing neither purchase nor sale nor purchase return nor sale return nor it will come in cash book. Then where will you record this transaction? In journal proper. When there is no place for the transaction in any of the above books I just said, then the transaction has to go to journal proper. That is residuary transaction goes to journal proper. So it is drawing, goods withdrawn for personal use will go to journal proper. So first and drawing. So drawing account debit. How much? 10,000 to goods withdrawn for personal use. Okay, by proprietor. So to goods withdrawn by proprietor, and that comes up to 10,000. Now second point, goods distributed as free sample 4,000. Why will you distribute something as free sample? You want advertisement of your product, so you are distributing it as free sample. You want to make it popular among the crowd. Okay. So when I am distributing something free, it is a sort of advertisement, and advertisement expense distributing through free sample. Neither purchase nor sale nor purchase return nor sales return nor any cash is involved. So it will come in your journal proper. Advertisement account debit. Advertisement account debit. How much? 4,000 to goods distributed as free sample. As free sample 4,000. Next, point number 3. Goods stolen worth rupees 500, that is lost by theft. Same as above, we can't put them in purchase book, sale book, purchase return, sales return or cash book. So such transactions will come in your journal proper. Goods stolen means lost by theft. So lost by theft account debit. $500 to goods stolen account. How much? 500. See, either open a goods stolen account or subtract that from your purchases. Okay. Now next, fourth point. Cash discount received from Mr. A 600. Discount received is always my income. So my income has always to be credited. So the entry will be Mr. A account debit to discount received. Again, this cannot be put anywhere else. So I am putting it in the journal proper. Mr. A account debit. How much? 600 to discount received. Discount received is my income, so I have to credit it to discount received. Income or gain. How much? 600. So income or gain needs to be credited. Now point number 5th. Okay, discount allowed to Sita. Discount allowed is my expense or loss. So expense in regular case of business, in regular day-to-day working of business, I may allow discount to a customer. So discount allowed is my expense. All expenses need to be debited, and such transaction cannot be put in purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return or cash book. So it is coming here in journal proper. Discount allowed account debit because it is my expense. How much? 200. Discount allowed account debit to Sita. 200. Okay, now the next question.